and thank you for joining me. Out at my cabin site, working on it a little bit. I wanted to put my 2 support posts in so that I can finish the top. We're actually inside right now. You can see the light coming through. This all has to be chinked. I'll give everybody a little look around here. And I don't have the roof completely on it yet, so, and the floor is not in, but it is, you know, coming together slowly. Of course, with this winter, I kind of didn't plan on doing a lot, closing everything down, but turned out we had a nice part of January here, so I thought I'd take a day and go hit it. So I have some footage of the building process here, putting my posts in, and then I think I'll do a little walk around, show everybody everything. So alright, I'm going to pan around a little bit. Well, that's a freebie table saw I got, so the blade is actually locked on, and but when you're building, sometimes a table saw is exactly what you need. You can see it should be the east wall over here. Of course, here's the door. There is the cross pieces of the ceiling for the loft. Now, I have not cut a hole in to the ceiling for a loft or anything yet, but I will. In this corner over here, this would be the northwest corner. It's probably going to be the wood stove corner, I'm thinking. So you can see the green, what are those, 2x10s? That's going to be my floor joists. So the floor, it's close to where it's going to be from the floor up. So, you know, that'll give me some room underneath. I want to insulate and then put the flooring on. And then, of course, this would be the east wall. And now you can see I don't have any windows cut in here yet. They will be cut in eventually. And I will chink everything. So, and that's the ceiling part. Alright, we're going to try this. But anyway, this is close up the post. Now you can see, I hope you can see, but already there's a little bit of sap coming out. So I put these in green. And they're just construction bolted in for now. So they'll get more. And this is the porch area. This is just a little pine deck I put on here for building. When it's all said and done, this is going to be an oak porch, you know, oak platform. Once again, pine. Of course, there's a lot of chinking that has to be done. I just tested it. It didn't even get started yet, really. So now this will be an adventure. Let's try to go up the ladder with this camera in hand. Let's see here. I'll give you a little perspective, maybe, how it looks up here. Yeah, there it is. I got some construction stuff up here. But yep, that's what it looks like. That'll be the loft area. Right in here, there will be, just on the other side of the doorway, I'll cut a hole in the flooring, and that's not flooring there, that's only temporary. I'll cut a hole in the flooring, and that's where the staircase will go through. And there'll be a window on each gable. I'm going to put a big window on each gable, and of course, like I said, I got about, well, I think 2 sheets of OSB left on each side, so 4 sheets and 2, 4, 6 rafters left, plus the gables have to be built. The gables I'm going to build out of heavy farm lumber. That's my plan. 2 or 1 inch good farm lumber. So, well, there you have it. That's what the cabin looks like. Starting to look better all the time. So that's the front. So at any rate, I'd like to thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed watching this out in the nice weather for January. And please check out the rest of my channel. Subscribe, like, share, whatever you think, and I appreciate it, all your support. Any questions, comments, you can leave them below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.